Hi guys, it's Ilene here and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this simple two-tiered jewelry tray. Very easy using all Dollar Tree items. If you want to see how I did this, please stay with me and please let me know how you like this DIY and how I did. Please give me comments, please like this video if you love it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget, hit that bell icon for future notifications. So let's get started and see how this double-tiered jewelry tray goes. What you need for this project is a ring dish of your choice. I picked up this elephant one from the Dollar Tree. A candle holder of your choice to put in between the two circular mirrors. You will need 2 of these circle frames from the Dollar Tree. Now, what is great about these mirrors is on the backing here, it has these tiny little tabs. As you can maybe see, it's kind of small. You see these little tabs? So this, you just gently lift up your cardboard backing from these circle mirrors. And then you have your mirror separated. My 2 mirrors and the cardboard backing separated from my frames. So I'm going to put these aside in a safe place. And I'm going to get started. You will need this Waverly chalk paint in white. I have this already on hand and some gloves. And you will also need some sort of gems, and I am going to be using these gems that came with the LED tea light candle from the Dollar Tree. And I will save my candle for another project, or just to decorate around the home. But I like the way these gems look. These gems are a little bit irregular in shape. So I like how these look, and I'm going to use these gems here. And I'm going to start to apply the paint. Shaking up my paint. And now I'm just going to apply my white paint to my frames. I gotta say, using this paintbrush is allowing the white to more easily attached to the black frame. I don't know if it's because it's a forest frame or what it is, but I think I'm going to apply a heavy coat of my paint using this brush, and then after I'm going to give it a final wipe down with the sponge. While my frames are drying in between coats, I'm going to go spray this with some white spray paint I already have on hand. So my frames are completely dry, and I have spray painted my candle holder white. And now I'm going to start applying some E6000 and hot glue to put this all together. Now the reason I'm using my E6000 along with the hot glue is, I've mentioned this before, the hot glue gets your items right in place immediately without having to sit there holding it for minutes and minutes. And the E6000 will cure over time, making it a strong bond between the 2 things you're gluing. So I'm going to get started with that. Before you start gluing, you're going to gently place your mirror and cardboard backing back inside of your frame. Just going to apply a small bead of my E6000 across the bottom of my candle holder. And I am going to repeat with the hot glue on top. My candlestick is now attached to my one mirror. I'm going to place that aside and work on the mirror that's going to be on top. Now I have this beautiful, adorable elephant ring tray from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to now attach this to the center of my top mirrored tray. Again, I'm going to do this same process, a little bit of E6000 and a little bit of hot glue. And now I'm going to use these acrylic gems that came with my LED tea light candle, also from the Dollar Tree. I'm using all Dollar Tree products for this. And these are a little irregular in shape, but I am going to just fix them on with the hot glue in E6000 all around this elephant tray. I've actually found it more simple to put the hot glue dab right onto the mirror and the E6000 on the gem and place it. My gems are now all around my elephant tray, and I'm simply going to add glue to the top of my candlestick and attach my mirrors together. My two-tiered jewelry tray is finally complete. This tray cost a total of $4 because I did use paint and glue I already had on hand. But that would only add another couple of bucks if you don't have that already. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, please give this video a great big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon for future notifications. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.